AC Cobra GT Roadster is the result of more than 3 years' intense investment and development. Respecting the iconic Cobra's heritage, but using the latest technologies, the company established a world-class team to engineer a true masterpiece. With an extruded aluminium space frame chassis, full carbon fiber bodywork, and motorsport-derived engineering. Manufactured in limited numbers and using bespoke elements, it epitomizes an exclusive, high-performance roadster. With a V8 producing up to 663 horsepower, it remains faithful to the spirit of the AC Cobra legacy. Over the course of more than 1,000 hours, we poured ourselves into the process, conducting extensive research, sketching and refining the design, and creating detailed prototypes. The brand new AC Cobra GT Roadster.